You gotta stand up and fight. You have to stand up. Don't tear you down. You gotta stand up and fight. You have to stand up.
Good morning, guys. It is the next day and I'm up bright and early. I legit just took a shower, and when I tell you outside it's so overcast, guys, it seems like we're gonna get another tropical storm because we legit got one the other day, and the boys are home from school today as a result. So Javi, I didn't send Javi because of the weather, but Jameer, there's actually an outbreak of hand, foot and mouth disease at his school. How unfortunate. So they decided to, keep the kiddies at home today from school so that nobody else gets infected. And fun fact, Javi got the hand, foot and mouth disease ages ago when I think it was in daycare, but Jameer has never got it and hopefully he never will. So we're just gonna see what the vibe is like today. And did I even say welcome to Vlogmas Day 4? Oh my god, like my head is just all over the place. But welcome, guys. Vlogmas Day 4 is a little cozy vibe. We're doing inside activities today, and I saw it fit to start off with my morning routine. So I literally just took a shower, got prepped, and I'm going to do a little skincare routine for you guys. I always get compliments on my skin, especially lately. I have a new skincare regimen that I have implemented since I'd say August, about August, September. And it has been okay. So I'm going to share some of the products that I use on a daily, or I try to use on a daily to, maintain my skin. I have a lot of hyperpigmentation, as you can see, a lot of dark spots. But I'm working on evening out my skin tone. So that's great. So let's just jump into it. So the first thing I use in the morning is this tea tree exfoliating facial wash, and it says it's a gentle non-abrasive foaming wash. And I just take a little dab on my finger, and I go in before I even go in with any water. I just go in with it only, and I kind of just lather it. As I said, I just take a shower, so my face is kind of damp, so I'm just gonna head and lather it. As you can see, it's just recently that I decided to take my skincare serious, because I have struggled with skin issues for as long as I can remember in my teen years. And back then I didn't even go as far as to find products to use on my face. I used to just buy face soaps and thought that would help, but unfortunately that has not helped. And I remember feeling so insecure in high school, to the point where in the latter part of high school I would even wear makeup, foundation, the little compact powders back then. That's what I used to use to give my face a little cool tone, but that was not fixing the problem. That was concealing it more than it was fixing it. Alright, so after I go in, I have my little pouch here with all my stuff, guys. So after I go in with my tea tree, I have this little cleansing brush. I don't remember where I got this from. So let's go ahead and wet it. Most time I use the back. Let me use the back because I am exfoliating. So the back is kind of a little, what do I call this now? I don't even know what it is. It's a little exfoliating thing. I just go in with it, to remove any dead skin. And I am not gentle at all. This is far from a gentle skincare. I'm just rubbing it all over, getting into my pores, especially my nose. I have really large pores in my cross zone here, so I try to get in as much as possible. And then I use the other side to just continue lathering and get everything off. Oh my god, went in my nose, guys. Just wash this off. And it's gonna leave my face feeling super smooth. Like literally as smooth as a baby's bottom, guys. No joke. That's how smooth it leaves my face. So yeah. So next I'm gonna pat dry my face. And I know they said don't use like rags and towels and stuff because it does trap bacteria, but I wash my rags very often, so I trust them to an extent, and it's just not that serious in my opinion. So I do pat dry with the rag. Sometimes I use like paper towel, whatnot, but as it stands, I just go ahead and use my little washcloth to pat dry. Alright, so next up we are getting into some toner, and guys, I do use the Good Molecules line of products. I got this entire set in a little PR package. Speaking of, I really need to go ahead and post some content for Good Molecules. I wanted to do a little before and after, so that's why I haven't like dropped the video as it, but I'm starting off with the Niacinamide Brightening Toner. I'm just gonna get some cotton pads. My cotton pads, that's alright. So I'm just gonna get a little on the pad here, and I'm just going with like a few drops, not too much, like the pad isn't soaking wet. Now just going gently all over my face. I know it's a swiping motion, you know, just distribute it evenly. And yeah, this doesn't sting or anything. When I just got it, first time I used it, I felt a little sting, but my face may have been, you know, irritated a little, so I'd assume that's why. But it doesn't sting or anything. I want to get in my hairline as well, because you know our hairline traps a lot of dirt, and I take it all the way down to my neck, and this is the disgusting residue that was on my skin, so the toner helps to like get that off. Next, since it's the morning time, I'm going ahead with the Good Molecules Discoloration Serum, and it says it improves the appearance of hyperpigmentation and dark spots, which I struggle with, so that's a plus. I go in with just a couple drops, like 2 on my forehead and then 1 on my cheek. I just rub that in. Please don't go in my eyes. This reminds me of aloe vera. It doesn't really have a scent to it, but just the, I'd say the glossiness reminds me of aloe vera. I don't know if you guys have used like raw aloe vera on your skin before, which is actually good for your skin, but this reminds me of it. And this stings as well sometimes. I think the nighttime serum stings way more. I don't know why it's so strong. So I just lather this in, and then I'm gonna give it a good fan and let it like dry down into my skin for a couple minutes and just lock in place. So this has been sitting on my skin for about a minute or two now, and it's very sticky to the touch. So I think we can move on to the next step, which is moisturizer. So as I said, Good Molecules is the way to go, and this is the lightweight daily moisturizer. I use this all in the days. I have another moisturizer that I use at night, and this says it's formulated with shea butter, avocado seed oil, and hyaluronic acid to hydrate, smooth, and nourish the skin. And they told no lies. So I'll just go ahead with a little dab, like this much, a pea-sized amount, because I have oily skin, so I don't want to overdo the moisturizing. So I just go in with just a little that can like cover perimeter, center of my face, I really don't like to overdo I really don't like to overdo the moisturizer because it can get a little bit heavy on my face and I'll be sweating throughout the day and it just feels very disgusting if I'm being honest. So I like a thin layer to where it's basically, you know, unnoticeable. I just take my time and I go in and I rub, you know, up. Speaking of, I need to get one of those gua sha thingy to like chisel out my cheeks. And they said the tip is to rub upwards, guys, not down. You don't want to drag down your face. I've been hearing that since high school. But you know, we won't know until we're older. I mean, our face is gonna sag regardless. It's skin. And I mean, if you're not using Botox or any firming mechanism, like, skin is just gonna skin. Period. So I ain't even stressing, okay? So next, I let this sit out as well, fan it out for a little, and then I go in with some SPF, and this is just a regular SPF, guys. I use this on my kids. It's the Banana Boat brand, and I've had this SPF for a good while now. I probably need to re-up. I know that the Black Girl sunscreen has been getting like a lot of good reviews, but I just haven't gotten around to it. Maybe when this one finishes, I'll go ahead and try that one. And guys, it doesn't matter if you're going out in the sun or not, always use your sunscreen, SPF 40, 30, 50, whatever is most suitable for you. And I remember one time I was deep in my skincare bag, but for some strange reason I was not using sunscreen, and you know, it basically, the sun basically reverses all of the progress that you've been putting in if it's not being protected properly. So SPF is a must on a daily, guys. So yeah, just dab it in my skin, dab under my eyes, my lids, and I always take product down to my neck. So yeah, that's it for my little skincare AM version. Oh, and I also go in with a little Vaseline on my lips, you know, just to keep them shiny and moisturized throughout the day. So guys, that's it for my little morning skincare for glowy skin. Am I glowing or not? Let me know. And let me know if you guys have ever tried like the Good Molecules line of products or whatever brand that you're using right now. I'd love some recommendations because I am open to trying new things. I mean, if something is not working for me, maybe, you know, the formula is just not conducive to my skin type, so I'm always open to trying new brands. So if you're a skincare girly and you have products to share that you think is tea and literally you can't keep it to yourself, then feel free to drop it down in the comments below. So yeah, it is now about 9 o'clock, 9:30 thereabout. Jamir is still sleeping. I need to get these kiddies up so we can make breakfast. I am not really hungry and I'm not really a morning breakfast type of person. I just get up and I make my tea and stuff like that. But seeing that the boys are home, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and make some breakfast. I'm gonna see what they want and get the day started. Guys, it is raining cats and dogs outside and it's kind of killing my vibe. Hi! Say good morning to the vlog. I don't know if they can see you. Good morning. Good morning. What do you want for breakfast today?
What do we have?
We have everything. We have eggs, we have sausages.
Oh, okay.
What do you want?
Wait, mommy?
We have this sausage Jamir likes. We only have one left.
Okay, well, I don't want to use that one. The German one's going to want to use it, but we're just going to make it for him.
So what do you want for breakfast? You gotta tell me what you want.
I want egg and the
Go turn on the wood.
Pancake. Yes.
Well, we should have pancake mix here. So we got pancake mix, guys.
Where do you get these on the phone?
Oh, they came with the thing that's about, but we're running low on syrup.
Syrup is at 40%.
That's less than 40%. That's your deal.
Wait.
So do you want
that's
to make some
30%.
Christmas-inspired pancakes? So we can put colors in it. So we have red and green. You want to do one of each?
I want to do red.
You want to do red? Alright, so you can do red. I'll do green. Guys, Jameer is sleeping and I don't want to wake him up. The boss in a deep slumber, right?
Yeah,
what else do we need? We need some bowls.
Deep slumber.
What is a deep slumber? You don't even
You
know
said
what
that.
a deep slumber is. Yeah, I said it, but do you know what that is?
No.
You
That
don't?
means he's sleeping.
Yeah, that means he's sleeping a lot.
Oh, I
didn't
got
want
it
to wake
correct
him.
first try.
Yeah, I didn't want to wake him, so we have bowls. I'm gonna get some butter.
Pour. Mommy, I poured it in the bowl. Pour.
Food coloring, my love. We have chiffon. What else am I missing?
I don't know.
This is complete pancake mix, by the way, so we don't have to do anything but add water. So Javi's gonna mix up the green. I'm gonna, well, you said red or green. Which one do you want? Right, so Javi's mixing the red. I mix the green. Bowl.
What?
You wanna mix it together?
What, mommy? What does red and
green make?
Yeah.
I honestly, you're gonna make like an ugly color.
What?
Gonna make like
Like
red and green.
No,
I don't know what red and green is, guys.
It makes.
Comment and
I
let
think
us know
it
what
makes
red and
brown.
green is.
It makes brown.
Alright, let me put these sausages
Mommy,
down.
I have to make yellow. I have to make yellow.
I don't know, because yellow is already a primary color.
And no, what's the one?
Cereal is basically done. So remind me to get cereal, Javi. Remind me to get pancake cereal. I need to add those on my to-do list. So let's go. And let us go.
Time to make breakfast.
Time to make what?
Time to make breakfast. Time to make breakfast.
Alright, so first we gotta get some pancake mix. Not a lot.
They can't see me.
Why you want them to see it? So we're doing that amount in red. And we need some in green as well. Not a lot. Alright, this should be okay. We're making some miniature pancakes.
What?
Tiny little pancakes. Javi, come along. Alright, next we're gonna pour some water in this one. And I want you to come mix it for me, Javi. Mix that one, please.
What I gotta do?
Yeah, just mix it up, please. Take your time. Hold the bowl, baby.
Oh, okay.
You gotta hold it and mix it like this.
Put it up.
Take your time. Need some more water. Take your time. Take your time. Go over. Mix.
Let's see who can make it more better. Wait, Mom, I'm gonna make my name.
I need some more water in my...
Mommy, I'm gonna use the pancake to make my name.
To make your what?
I'm gonna do this.
No, just mix it up like this.
Look, Mommy, I'm gonna make a J. See?
Oh, you're making a name. Alright, mix it up.
I'm gonna make the A.
Are you mixing?
No.
Hold the bowl and mix it.
My one is much better than yours.
It's not a competition, bro.
It is.
It's not.
Yes, it is.
Not to me.
It is. My one is much better than yours. My one is much
Alright,
better.
let's see. You need to mix it.
See,
Mix it
Mommy?
like that.
My one is much better than yours.
Alright, so let's get the colors.
So surprised that he gonna think this is blood pancake.
Blood pancake.
Yeah, when it's red.
And just with a little drop. Not a
You're
lot.
gonna get so surprised, right?
No, come on, I'm afraid.
You're afraid?
No, I'm too much going. So I'm gonna give it. What? Mix it up, Javi.
Okay. Mix it up, papitas. John's gonna think this is blood painting, right?
Maybe. So you mix
Isn't it starting to look pink?
Maybe it needs a little bit more red.
Cause mommy, this is looking like pink.
Okay, I'm gonna give it some more red. Mix it up. Green is looking greeny.
Mommy, this is look like pink, not red.
Here, let's put a little more.
Mommy,
Yes.
I don't know what happened, but it's not supposed to look like this.
I know, I'm gonna give you some more. It just needs to be a little bit darker.
Okay, cause I don't want. German would not.
This is giving Cosmo and Wanda, my love. You
Yeah.
watch Fairly Odd Parents?
This is not red.
Cosmo and Wanda?
Oh, I thought it looked red. Yeah, it's working!
Alright, wonderful. You're good now.
Yeah, finally. I didn't like it when it was just pink.
Alright. Mix up, mix up. Who's this going first? Which color are we going? We're putting first. Red first.
The two pots, we will make it twice faster.
This is a young man. We're not putting a 2 pot road here.
What? It's gonna be twice faster.
I understand your concepts. But
Why isn't it looking like pink?
in the meantime, I'm cutting up these sausages. Cut up my sausages. I get some butter.
After I'm done mixing this, I'm gonna come back in 1 minute.
You're gonna come back in 1 minute. So Javi is really leaving me
Well, after I
To
finish
finish.
mixing this.
the food.
Yeah.
Tell me now, what kind of chef you be? You're leaving your mother to cook for you.
Mommy, I'm helping you.
Which color we putting in first?
I'm doing it.
Alright, let's go. Should we make little tiny ones
Big ones.
or big ones?
Big ones.
Let's make some tiny ones first.
Then big one?
Yeah.
Okay. Mommy, after I'm done mixing the pink one, I'm gonna come back in 1 minute. That means 60 minutes.
60 seconds, baby.
60 seconds.
Good morning! Look who's awake! Guys, look who's finally up. Where's the shirt? Can I give you what? Want to read in the morning? How come you were sleeping so late? You were hot last night, you took off your shirt?
Yeah, what time to home?
Can you flip those pancakes on me, please, while I get Jamie? Just come and put on your clothes.
Oh, okay. I can flip those pinky.
Wash your face, Stop it. Stop. Come on. You don't play around with fire. Okay. Take your time.
Okay.
Alright, we have 2. Let's take up both.
Okay.
Flip. Wow, that one has a little pink in it.
Whoa. Well, you chopped that in half.
That's okay. Flip. Good job.
And I don't know if it after we fry it, it's gonna be. There's something wrong with the red.
Alright guys, so I got the boys their Christmas inspired cups. I got them at Woolworths, was it? So this one is like a little gingerbread, and you have the Merry Christmas with the snowman. So I'm gonna make them some tea in this. I did plug out the kettle. The boys want some tea. All them drink Alaska tea, guys. Lasco fanatics. You boys can come make your tea.
Okay,
Please and thank you. We have this big container of Lasco. We probably need to refill it. Why are these kids on the floor? Are you okay?
I was not supposed to be on the floor with that.
Alright, I'm gonna wash your cups and then you guys can come and make your tea. See a spoon here. And we still have the pink batter to go. It didn't turn red, I don't know why. Like the food coloring, I guess I had to put a lot in it and I'm not putting any more. So we just work with some pink and green pancakes. Cosmo Wonder vibe. Careful my love, I might trip over the skateboard.
I'm making one for Jamaica.
Jamaican can make this. You guys can make it together.
Well, mommy, I'm not making mine. Because I already have
Tilt it so you can take it.
Tilt it. Which one is you want to put it in?
Which one is yours, Jeremy?
Which one you want me to put it in?
This one. But snowman. And snowman's on my finger and gingerbread.
You like snowman more than you like gingerbread man?
Because he said yeah. And I throw sometimes in my mouth. And we have one in our house.
You have a snowman?
No, we don't.
No, I talking about a gingerbread.
You have a gingerbread
No,
man?
no.
I want tea of him.
No.
A key?
Oh, that time I just went here.
How many spoons did you put in this?
Like 2. I mean 3.
Jamie, come and mix it, please. Mix it up.
I'm going over here.
And then pour a little warm water. What are you dreaming about? Hold it now, you have to hold it with the other hand. What are you dreaming about?
I just said hi to you guys.
You didn't say hi to me. You dreamed about mommy last night?
And I just said hi to Daddy. And I meant to say good morning.
Oh, love you, my bootsy. Alright, finish making tea.
Okay.
This boy's been dreaming about me. I'm gonna pour some warm water in it.
Mine is watching the TV.
There you go.
Well, Javi.
There you go. Gingerbread is for Javi.
I already have a tea.
It's okay.
I'm not gonna drink it.
Drink some.
Okay, I'm only gonna drink it
And
3
the
times.
snowman is for Javi.
And I'm gonna watch out Optimus Prime.
What should he say?
Thank you. And what could I gonna watch?
Optimus Prime?
Yeah, I'm gonna take. It's have 100 like my tablet.
Mom,
Oh.
look.
What happened? You have a mustache? There's no mustache. It's not there. Try again. Yeah, I see it. You have a milk mustache.
I have milk like that.
See it?
I don't see it.
Alright, drink up. Breakfast is almost ready. I don't know why, but I'm just feeling so tired. Like I literally feel like I'd just go and take a nap right now after I'm finished eating. Love you too, baby. Where is your brother? Where is Javi Luke? I'm having some chocolate tea in this warm weather or wet weather. What do you mean warm weather? The place is so cold. And as I mentioned, it's raining outside, so you know that already. You guys want eggs as well? I prep sausages. Let me go and prep the eggs because the pancakes are almost done. I'm basically done. This is a giant pancake. This is a big one. Guys, got a pancake. Javi, come and look at the giant pancake I made. Look here. Javi, come look at it. It's so huge. So huge.
do
How does
that.
it
I have to
taste?
connect his arms really quick, though.
Good?
Alright, you do that, Amy. I'm gonna start building out the end.
I'm trying to trick
Right,
you.
sounds
Trying to
good
trick me, but you like
Alright,
them?
let's build out a wall over
Okay,
here
that's good.
and make this
Alright, eat up.
really long.
Use a fork,
You
please.
know what I'm thinking, Shadow? I think we're gonna
Use a
need
fork.
some sort of
The egg tastes good with the syrup.
Oh, you want more syrup on the eggs?
Why?
Here you
Against
go.
what?
Can't put on
Against
this
Sonic?
side.
Well, I guess so. What if he's trying to get in
Almost
here and
out of
ruin our
syrup.
build?
Eat up,
Some
my
kind of
love.
trap?
A trap.
With
Maybe
the
we could use
fork.
something
Why
like
don't you use the
lava?
fork?
Lava? Wait a minute. You're so...
My ear hurt yourself.
I will crash.
Yes, you did.
That
You go on that one.
means not that much good.
Alright, then we hear it.
Well, Mommy, can you tell me
Ready?
if my leg can't fit on it today?
Oh, yes, you can. Alright. Ready and go. Let me get out of Oh, it's trying to get out. Okay guys, it is about midday and I'm doing laundry. Tell me why the rain always chooses to fall when Shanice is trying to get her clothes washed. Like, come on. See if I can catch in right here, so I don't understand. And the rain has been playing games all week. We may go out this weekend, so I don't even want to leave laundry for the weekend. So I'm just trying to get them out from now. And hopefully I can hang them out and them can dry in good time. If anything, I'll just run out and grab them if the rain starts again. But y'all did not see that. Looking for something. Jamir, can I get my phone, please? Jamir, can I get my phone? Where's your tablet? Where's your tab? Alright, bring come let me charge it for you. And you boys need to take a bath. Plug out the controller, plug it in, and tell your brother it's bath time. Jamir, you don't need to shout at him. But I can hear you from all the way around here.
I was not shouting at him, but when I just said it to him, he didn't even say anything.
Alright, it's okay. I'll speak to him. Thank you.
You're welcome.
To mommy, you're not getting anything for your birthday.
Mommy,
Yes, my love.
I'm going for the dragon ball.
Going for a dragon bath. Alright, when you finish, go take a bath when you finish.
Okay, that's how you can do that.
Jamir, leave him. Just leave me be. Leave me be, bro. Oh, so that's your skateboard trick?
Yeah. I will put my face here, and we're trying to go to it, and but then I just settled down.
Wow, cool. So skate now. May I hurt
It's
yourself?
hard to get because it's hard to get. But when you're on your belly like this, it kind of works.
Oh, okay.
It kind of goes well, but the roller will go fast.
Okay, my love. So guys, the girl is doing a little bit of sewing today. I had to take a break from, you know, all that I was doing to come and catch up on some pieces that I started ages ago and just did not get a chance to finish. So that's what I'm doing now, and it's basically some head ties that go with matching cover-ups. So if you don't know, I am a fashion designer and I own an online fashion design business. It's called Club Couture JA. You can find us on Instagram at Club Couture _JA. I'm gonna put it right here. You guys can go and follow for your customized swimwear, vacation pieces, you name it. So yeah, that is literally my passion, and from, you know, time to time you guys will see me in my element sewing, of course, and it may be boring, but it's what I do and I love what I do. So that's just a part of Shanice and all that I have to offer currently in this capacity as a fashion designer. And I have so much fun content coming up as it relates to, you know, my pieces, showcasing my pieces, creating content around my pieces, and I'd love to share that with you guys. So if that's something you're interested in, please let me know down below and head on over and support my page. I'd really appreciate it. So yeah, back to the sewing because I have 10 pieces to finish, guys. 10. So you know how that is. So yeah, let's get it. Until your chin. Make it cut it.
I was trying to pop it.
You don't pop bumps in your face. Okay.
Okay.
Mommy, this is for me.
What can I
This is for you and Daddy, and this is for me and Daddy.
So you drink soda now?
I like soda every day.
Soda is not good for you, my love.
But you have some.
Thank you. This is a 7-Up. This is soda.
No, this is.
All of them are soda. Put it in the fridge. And get cold.
Okay, can we have one?
Sure.
Okay, we're gonna have this one. Yeah, I'm gonna put the other one.
Put them in the fridge, my love. If you want yours now, I can give it to you with some ice. Would you like some now?
Okay.
Would you like some now with some ice?
Yes.
Alright, give me a sec.
So, Mommy, I was saying, pour in there. I take one, Daddy take one, I take one.
Oh, so I'm pouring this in this cup for who? Javi or you?
Daddy and me.
Alright. Hold this one. Hold this for me, please.
Okay.
Which one of these juice are yours? This is, you sure this is yours?
I wasn't gonna share with everybody.
You sure? Some food.
Mommy, do you want some? You want some of this?
It's like sweet and sour chicken, fried rice, Chinese. Alright, I'll open it for you.
Okay.
Good job. That's good. So your girl is practicing portion control. So as I said, I'm practicing portion control, so I just got a little. I know it looks a lot, guys, but trust me, it's not a lot. So let's share some oats, and I'm gonna dig in because I'm starving. And as usual, I left the rest for later because chances are I'll be hungry within like half an hour. But I'll give you guys a little rating of how the food is. I don't know if it'll be good or what, but let's try it out. I don't know where you got this food from. I don't know, but let's try it out. So the boys' grandpa got them some fruits. So we got some June plum, apples, some bananas. Ooh, these bananas are so big. Jeff, you got bananas. You want one?
Yes.
Alright, pull it. See if I can pull it up. Here you go. I also got some oranges as well. The boys love their fruits. Guys, look at the sky. It is so black. I legit just went and grabbed my clothes off the line, but listen, a storm is coming. I'm so glad I don't have anything to do on the road today because this is bad weather right here. Look at the wind, look at the wind. Oh my goodness.
Calling Araya.
Why are you calling her?
Your number is 910.
910.
10.
Call her, talk to her, boy.
Hello, Araya. Yeah, what's up?
Stop
I didn't mean to hit somebody, okay?
No, you don't need to hit
I was
anybody.
calling her in my ears.
Talk to her, I know what you're saying.
I just said. This is so funky. It's like a cool movie.
Jamie, you're not fighting your brother. I thought you were talking to your girlfriend.
Oh, yeah, I was kicking my butt. What's up? Okay. Yeah, it's a good. Right?
Jamie, stop.
Every time I want to tell you.
Jamie, leave him, leave him.
What don't you like?
What are you saying to her?
You can't hear a guy in my ears.
I want to hear what she's saying. What did she say?
I said, what's your boyfriend?
What? That's what she said?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're her boyfriend. That's what she tell you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, what's up? Yeah. We go.
Jamir, don't hit your brother.
I did touch him.
I'm sure you did. Tell Araya I said hi.
Araya, my mother said hi.
Ask her when she's coming over.
Araya, when you are coming over? I said to November 14.
Why November 14?
Maybe because I wanted to give me one other present.
You want more present? Should I give you one present already?
Yeah.
Look in the camera.
Okay, look at the camera.
See my ears?
Yeah, I can see your ear.
Okay, alright. Good. So it's late. So I did not show you guys. Okay, you're gonna let me do the unboxing. Our pajama sets that we bought. So we bought some matching pajamas.
Yeah, and I just helped.
You helped buy what? You helped buy matching pajamas? He said, let us pretend that he helped.
No, I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it.
No, don't touch it. Remember, don't touch it. Remember,
Well,
don't
I
touch
want to work the cameraman.
I can
it. Alright, so we bought a set of 4, but I feel like
I want to wear
the ones that we bought for Javi and Jamir are too small. So the max size or the largest size that they had was for 7-year-old. Jamir put on the skateboard now. And this is it. Yes, it's stretchy, but I don't think this is gonna fit the boys at all. It's so tiny. Not to mention these tights. This is just crazy. I'm gonna have to work some magic and see if I can adjust this in some way. I don't know. It's stretchy now, but I'm gonna have to have him try it on, but I know my kids and these are too small. It might fit Jamir, but it's not gonna fit Javi. Jamir, come here, my love. So also got 2 adult sizes. So this is mine. It's supposed to be like loose fitting, and then it has the tops, but as I said the other day, the tops are kind of big. So this is it. So I'm switching this out. I might like sleep in this or something. I'm switching this out for my little red top. So this is my fit with these bottoms. We're just gonna see how well they work together. And then this is Jason's set. So this is a male size large. So he has the shirt as well. And underpants. Where is this pants? Don't tell me say I want pants to people, let me see. But when I was going through it, I did see another pants. It's probably in the room or something. So yeah, these are the colors that we're working with. As I said, this year we're going very traditional, so we wanted to do like the green and the red. I wonder if it's too late to like put in an order for Javi so Javi can get another set or something similar, because the place that I bought this from, I don't think they have any larger sizes. So we just have to go see how best how best we can work this out. And it's just so unfortunate that this is our first year ordering pajamas online, and it's just a disaster because they're just too small. So I mean, you live and you learn. Next year we'll see how best we can, you know, see if we can get the orders out earlier or size up. You okay? So yeah guys, that's it. What else? I was doing a little sewing not too long ago, as well as taking care of some other business, and I think I'm just gonna finish up the night, just finishing up what I was sewing, answering some emails. Jamir, get down off the box, baby. Yeah, I have some emails that I need to respond to. I have a sale coming up that I'm also preparing for. So the rest of the night just calls for strictly business. Yeah, this is yours, madam. Let me see if it can fit you. Try, let me see. So this is definitely your size. As you can see, like this was made for him. There's no way this is gonna fit Javi.
Mommy, what to put down here?
Yeah, that's where it should be. And then this is your little shirt. So this is cute, right? Like it? Look in the mirror. Tell me if you like it.
Look in the mirror, what I do?
Yeah, the mirror.
Look.
It's okay. I'll try them on. Alright, we'll do a try on closer to Christmas. Alright, so this is where I'm going to end today's Vlogmas episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was fun. I hope it was, you know, filled with Christmas cheer, because you know that's the aim for the season. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day. Bye. Why are you putting a thumbs up in my video? Thumbs down. You have to put a thumbs up. So go ahead and like this video if you enjoyed it. Jeffrey here, you gotta tell people to like the video. Whatever you don't like the video. You don't want us to get a lot of likes?
2061.
He says get this video to 2,061 likes. If they get it to 2,061 likes, what are you gonna do? You're gonna perform for them? You're gonna dance for them? A big dance, I know. So guys, leave a like down below, get Jamir to his target, and he's gonna do a little dance off for you guys, alright? And yeah, so that's it. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. You gonna dance for you? Alright, cool. Like the video, guys.
And let me show you one of my dancing moves.
Oh my god. Come over here. You have to come show them over here.